how to download Spotify songs. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download the Spotify songs on your device. So a quick reminder is that make sure you have a premium account, a purchased account of your Spotify account. So once you do that, what I want you to do is simply head over to your library if you have one, and simply head over to your liked songs, which songs which you have added to your liked song section or to particular playlist. So this is my liked song playlist, and from here you will see the option like here arrow button downside, and this is exactly what you will see, and this is exactly from where you will be able to download your song. As you can see right now, I'm not able to download because I don't have a premium account. So make sure you do that, and always remember you can't download a particular song just like that. You always have to make a playlist and then download the particular song. You have to add a particular song to the particular playlist, and then you have to download the song. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.